Welcome to the world of Marvel Rivals, where heroes clash and legends are born. Today, we dive into the realm of Wakanda, home to the indomitable Black Panther, also known as T'Challa. Get ready to witness unmatched agility, strength, and combat skills as Black Panther takes the battlefield by storm. T'Challa, the King of Wakanda, combines cutting-edge vibranium technology with the ancestral power of the Panther, Bast. His abilities make him a formidable duelist capable of darting around the battlefield and executing vulnerable targets with precision. This is no ordinary hero, this is Black Panther. Black Panther's vibranium claws are his primary attack in Marvel Rivals. These claws deal damage in quick succession, allowing him to stick to his targets efficiently. The speed and agility of Black Panther make him a formidable opponent, and his vibranium claws are a key part of his arsenal. In the game, vibranium claws are a melee attack that deals 35 damage per hit with an interval of 0.44 seconds per hit and a maximum distance of 3 meters. This rapid attack allows Black Panther to maintain pressure on his enemies and quickly take down vulnerable targets. Feel the power of Wakanda with Black Panther's vibranium claws. Bast's Descent is Black Panther's ultimate ability in Marvel Rivals. This powerful move summons a giant spectral panther that lunges forward, covering a huge area and dealing significant damage to enemies in its path. The ability also applies Vibranium Mark to all enemies hit, which can be used to refresh the cooldown of Spirit Red. With a range of 22 meters in length, 20 meters in width, and 7 meters in height, Bast's Descent is a game-changer in battles, allowing Black Panther to turn the tide in his favor and dominate the battlefield. Spirit Rend is one of Black Panther's mobility skills in Marvel Rivals. This ability allows him to lunge forward and deal damage to enemies in his path. When Spirit Rend hits an enemy, it applies Vibranium Mark, which provides Black Panther with bonus health and refreshes the ability's cooldown. With a maximum distance of 15 meters and an average speed of 50 meters per second, Spirit Rend enables Black Panther to quickly close the gap between him and his enemies, dealing 80 damage and gaining 30 bonus health in the process. This ability, combined with his other skills, makes him a formidable duelist on the battlefield. The Spinning Kick is one of Black Panther's mobility skills in Marvel Rivals. It deals damage and applies the Vibranium Mark to enemies. This mark is crucial for Black Panther as it helps refresh the cooldown on his abilities and provides him with bonus health. Subtle Step is one of Black Panther's unique abilities in Marvel Rivals. This skill allows him to run on walls by holding the spacebar, and he can perform a jump after detaching from the wall. With a cooldown of just 3 seconds and an average speed of 10 meters per second while wall crawling, Subtle Step enhances Black Panther's mobility, enabling him to navigate the battlefield with agility and surprise his enemies from unexpected angles. This ability, combined with his other skills, makes Black Panther a versatile and formidable duelist in the game. Spear Toss is one of Black Panther's abilities in Marvel Rivals. This skill allows him to throw a Vibranium energy spear forward, creating a Vibranium force field and attaching a Vibranium mark to enemies within its radius. The spear is thrown in an arc and deals 45 damage upon impact. With a range of 5 meters and a projectile speed of 60 meters per second, Spear Toss is an effective way for Black Panther to apply Vibranium Mark from a distance, making it easier to poke enemies before engaging or to finish off low health targets trying to flee. This ability, combined with his other skills, makes Black Panther a versatile and formidable duelist in the game. Panther's Cunning is Black Panther's passive ability in Marvel Rivals. This ability allows him to deal 20% more damage when his health drops below 100. This makes Black Panther a formidable fighter in isolated duels, as he becomes even more dangerous when his health is low. Combined with his other abilities, Panther's Cunning enhances his effectiveness in close combat, making him a deadly opponent on the battlefield. Wakandan Master is a team-up ability that Black Panther gains when paired with magic in Marvel Rivals. This powerful ability allows Black Panther to rewind time by 5 seconds, moving him back to his previous location while gaining bonus health based on his lost health. This synergy makes Black Panther even more resilient and deadly, as he can recover from damage and reposition himself strategically during battles. With a cooldown of 30 seconds, Wakandan Master is a game-changing ability that enhances Black Panther's effectiveness on the battlefield. When paired with magic, Black Panther gains access to Wakandan Master, allowing him to rewind time by 5 seconds and gain bonus health based on his lost health. This synergy makes him even more resilient and deadly.
Bring this together. Tastes like the heart shape. Our foes.
Stop them!
Bring on the judge, jury, executioner. It's like the heart shape. Need some rest. Time to cause immeasurable damage.
Here comes trouble!
Health must be praised. It's like the heart-shaped herb. Tremble before fast!
He stopped them in their tracks!
Bring on the chaos. My strength is renewed.
Let's keep fighting until we have a winner! Here comes trouble!
Join Black Panther on his journey as he balances tradition and progress, science and magic, to protect Wakanda and its intergalactic empire. Marvel Rivals awaits. Are you ready to hunt?